Okay, so here's a power supply. I'm going to connect it to this long skinny wire like this. And I just want to point out, if you look here at this board, this is a meter stick. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lengths of wire. And depending where I tap into this, you can cut off certain lengths of wire. So if I connect right here, I would lose these 2 wires, and I would actually only have 8 meters. If I connect right here, I'd lose 1, 2, 3, 4, so I'd only have 6 meters. So we can change the length of wire very quickly here. Now, you notice there's some current flowing in here, and I'm going to do a couple of things for reasons I don't really want to explain right now. I'm going to add a resistor here. Well, I guess since I'm doing it, when you get short lengths of wire, we want to have that resistance in here so we don't have extremely high currents. Right now, you probably don't notice a difference right here. Whoops, I guess it helps to plug it in. So you might not see a difference now, but when we get to short lengths of wire, that matters. Now, I don't trust these numbers. There's not many sig figs, so what I want to do here is I'm going to go ahead and add, this DMM in parallel, right here and right here. I'll get out of the way. I'm going to go to DC volts. Okay, so we got the voltage. This is the voltage of the power supply. In addition, I want to also get, let's put this in here so it doesn't fall off. I'll just keep this thing from flopping around quite so much. Okay, and I measured that resistor. It is, I have it written down here, 10.3 ohms. This is a 10.3 ohm resistor. I'll write that number down in the end so you can see it. But what I want to do is also measure the voltage across that. So now we're measuring the voltage across the resistor. DC, oh look, this one's different. DC's over here. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on these numbers, and now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change the length of wire, and you record these measurements. Hopefully the power supply voltage is not changing. Notice these numbers are different. I trust this more than that. Okay, so 10 meters. There we go. Oops. 9 meters. A little bit different. 8 meters. A little different. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. And then a couple things to notice. Look right here. See how the current keeps creeping up? If we hadn't put that resistor in there, this might be a really large number now because we only have 1 meter of wire, extremely small resistance. Let's get the diameter of this really quick. Alright, so let's go ahead and punch this into here. Alright. And so in case you have trouble reading that, here I've got it written down. Here's what we get for those numbers. 10.3 ohms, 0.50 millimeters. Okay, that's good.